Hello friends, today we are going to perform the next experiment. In this experiment, whatever sensors data is coming, we are displaying onto the LCD screen. So, what you are seeing it here. So, if I am going to put my hand, see distance is changing. So, whatever sensor data is coming is displaying onto the screen. Now, how will you do this particular experiment? So, first of all, to perform this experiment, we need Arduino Uno, one ultrasound sensor, and third is the display unit. It is 16:2 LCD display. Now, how will you connect the wires? So, for that one, this LCD panel is having 16 pin. So, if you see in this notebook, so these are the pin numbers. These are the pin numbers of the LCD. This is the name of the pins, and this is the Arduino pin where they are going to be get connected. So, pin number 4 of LCD has been connected with D12 pin of the Arduino. 6 number enable pin is connected with D11. Similarly, all the pins we have to connect them. So, you can see it here. So, these pins are connected with the Arduino. In similar fashion, we have to connect it. Now, to connect this ultrasound sensor, we are having 4 pins: VCC, trigger, echo, and ground. So, the echo pin of this ultrasound is connected to pin number 8. So, if you see it here, echo pin, this wire is connected to the pin number 8 of the Arduino, and this trigger pin, which is by the yellow color wire, is connected to the pin number 10, if you can see it here. VCC, all the VCCs are connected here, if you can see it here. So, this is the VCC wire of this, and the VCC of these LCD pins, all the VCC is connected here, and this is connected with this particular green wire to the VC 5 volt pin of the Arduino. Similarly, this red color pin is the ground pin, which is connected here in the board, and all the grounds, the pin number 5 of the LCD, and if you see it, pin number 5, pin number 1, pin number 16, and pin number 3, all are connected to the ground. So, by this way we have make this particular connection. Now, how to write the program for it? So, for that one we are coming to here. So, we are going to write the program. So, if you can see it. So, for LCD we are using this directory liquid crystal.h. Now, after then in this liquid crystal.h we are defining LCD object. So, for LCD object we have taken pin number 12, pin number 11, 5, 4, 3, 2. So, pin number 12, if you see, the pin number 12 goes to the RS pin. So, RS pin, then enable pin, then we have taken the D4, D5, D6 and D7 of your LCD. So, we are counting it. Now, we are defining the trigger pin is attached at 10 number, echo pin is attached at 8 number. So, we are defining the variable long for the duration and integer for distance in centimeter, distance in inches. So, we can measure the distance in both centimeter as well as in inch. Now coming to the setup programs. So, we are coming to the void setup. So, in this particular, first we are defining LCD begin 16,2. This particular line will say that the LCD what is going to be attached with the Arduino is of this 16 into 2. So, 16 characters and 2 row is attached here. then pin mode, trigger pin is the output, echo pin is the input. So, these two lines are used to define the ultrasound sensor. Now, we are coming to the serial begin. Serial begin 9600. If we want to see the output on the monitor itself, we can see it. For that, serial begin instruction is used. Now, we have LCD set cursor 00. So, to define first line, we have used this LCD set cursor 00, and we have written there first line welcome to the distance, and second line measure device. So, these are the just display onto the screen. So, delay for 3 seconds. Now, come to the next main important part of the program, void loop. So, when we are coming to this void loop, so if you see it, so first we are defining this trigger pin low. So our aim is to get the sensor data. So for that one ultrasound, we are giving trigger pin to the low. We are delaying for 2 microseconds. Then we make the trigger pin high for 10 microseconds, and then again we make it low. After then, so we are calculating the distance. So distance is whatever distance the sensor gives, it is calibrated. So it is multiplied by 0.034 by 2. So by doing this, the distance what the sensor will give us, that will be in centimeter. So now I want to display this. So for that one, we have cleaned the LCD display. So for that one, LCD clear command is used now. So in the first line, we have written there distance in centimeter, then we have given delay for 10 microsecond. In the second line, distance, whatever distance he has measured, this variable will come here. And similarly, parallelly, I want to see on the serial monitor. So we have given serial print and wait for 1 second. Again for 1 second, you come to here, again switch on the this ultrasound sensor, measure the distance. At every 1 second, measure the distance. Now, so we can open this serial monitor from here. You can see it here, serial monitor gets active. So see. So after compilation, so already you know how to verify the program. So program is verified. Then upload the program. So now we are going to upload it. So upload the program. Now we are coming to here. You see here. Once program get uploaded, see first line came here, then distance is coming here. Now if I am going to put my hand here, so distance is changing. So it is measuring the at what distance object is there. You can see it. Serially, this value you can see on the serial monitor. For serial monitor, I am opening it here. So I am clicking on the serial monitor. You can see the values here. So if I am going to put my hand here, so values is going to be changed. And this value and LCD value both will be the same one. Just I am giving see here. I am putting one fix 3. So you can see there. So both the values are going to be same. So this is was your completion of this your lab experiment. Now you write the programs and do it and check your results. Thank you.